lazy. I have 3 days to move out. I mean, we'll have to get an apartment. My dog will have nowhere to run. So, the dog, will tell me to get rid of him. I don't know what to do. I mean, I paid all the payments. Sucks. I just have to call the military and ask them what to do. I'm getting a call. Hello? Okay, well, we just got a call yesterday from our realtor that we have 3 days to move out. We have 3 days to move out, and we just don't know what to do because we can't find a house in 3 days unless we look in like a different state or whatever. And I do not want to move out of state. I want at least 2 more weeks to move out. I mean, it should be the same as dogs. To, I just don't know what to do. I mean, I don't want to get rid of my dog, and I can't get a house because apparently I don't have enough money to pay my bills, and I'm in debt, and I just have so much money that I need to be paid, and I haven't got paid yet. I've been working double shifts. I have so much money that I need to pay, and I can't live with my mom. You know that. Hold on, maybe I'll find it out. Hey, sorry, I'm back. We just went outside. But I don't know what to do. Maybe I can call my mom so she can loan me some money. I will definitely not move it with her. I will not move with her. Well, okay, I'll just talk to you later or whatever. Okay. Love you too. Oh, well, I don't even know anymore. Whatever. I'll just have to get this figured out somehow. I need a lawyer.